In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell cryptocurrency on UniSwap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few helpful tips to avoid common mistakes as you go. Start by opening your browser and going to the official UniSwap app at appuniswap.org. It's important to double check the URL so you're on the authentic site. This page is the UniSwap interface where all the swapping and selling happens, and it works right in your browser. Once you're in, click on Trade. This takes you to the main swap screen where you control what you're selling and what you'll get in return. Think of the trade area as your command center. It pulls in your balances and market quotes and shows you a clear summary of the transaction details. Next, click on Sell. This toggles the interface into selling mode, which ensures you're offloading a token you already hold rather than trying to buy more. If you see options like buy and sell, make sure sell is highlighted so the amounts and quotes are based on the token you plan to part with. Now choose the percent you want to sell or enter the exact amount. The percentage buttons are a quick way to move 25%, 50%, 75%, or all of your balance, while the amount field gives you precise control down to decimals. A quick tip here. If your network requires a native token for gas fees, leave a small portion of that token in your wallet so you can complete the transaction smoothly. Also, watch the estimated output and price impact as you type. Those numbers help you gauge how the market is reacting to your order size. Then, select a token. This is where you pick the asset you're selling. Use the search bar to find it by name or symbol. If you're dealing with lesser-known tokens, verifying the token contract address from a trusted source is a smart safeguard against lookalikes. Also confirm you're on the correct network so balances display as expected. Finally, click Continue. This moves you to the review stage where the app summarizes key details like the expected amount you'll receive, fees, and slippage tolerance. If you see an unusually high price impact, consider adjusting the amount or slippage settings to reduce the chances of a poor fill. Take a moment to read the summary so everything aligns with what you intend to sell. And that's it. You went to UniSwap, opened trade, switched to sell, set your amount, selected your token, and continued to the review. With those steps, you can confidently navigate the selling flow on UniSwap.